Come to the final countdown. New timing belt and water pump. Massage here. Start the engine. Good timing. The engine should start one complete revolution. Okay. Okay, so start now. So one click. One click, guys. Engine start in one click. One complete revolution. So that means all good. Okay. Like I said, when you're doing cars, make sure to put down the window, whether driver side or passenger side, just in case the car get locked up. Then you have the easy access to taking it out, like get in side of it. So again, new timing belt and water pump. We're gonna stop the engine and then start again. Good timing should start in one click, like one complete revolution. So start the engine. Start. Okay, one click. So that's it, guys. So sabihan natin yung may-ari na overdue na yung kanyang service, no? Kailangan to i-service. I change the wheel and everything. So no timing belt. No vibration, all good. Just pass up the coolant here. Coolant maximum capacity is 6 liters. Go down there. Audi A6, guys, no timing belt. I'm gonna show you here his water pump. The water pump. See this? That's a bad sign, meaning that the water pump is leaking long time ago. Okay. So obviously he has the leaking that's a leaking map of the water pump. Okay. And then once you put it on, everything, like you have to torque this one water pump like 15 foot-pounds, 15 foot-pounds more or less torque on the water pump. And then after that, put the timing belt and everything, re-torque again, and then top up coolant as we have here, and then start the engine. Good timing should start one complete revolution or one click, then the timing is good. Sound good. New water pump. Audi A6. Stop again and then start. Start again. Okay, one click. That's it. And then service. Full service. Check the pressure and everything. Because you got the small puncture as well. That's new timing bit. Here again, this is a part of the collection now. Put this in here. So again, all the timing belts here, it has corresponding videos on our channel. Okay, just visit me on my YouTube channel and then you will see all the timing belts that we like done, no? Timing belt water pump.